In today's video, we're going to be covering a keyboard shortcut to add a row within Excel. All right, so we have this data here. We just have some random names, dates, and the purchase price of they bought something at our store. All right, so we want to add a row. Now, typically what you would do is you would select the row, right click, and then you would hit insert. Okay, and then that's going to insert a row above the row you had selected. So we're going to take that one step further and show you the keyboard function for that, which ultimately is going to save you time, because if you're using Excel in your daily life, like at work or wherever, you're going to be adding rows at some point, so this is just going to save you time. All right, and so for this keyboard shortcut to work, you still need to highlight the row, but all you do is Control-Shift+. All right, and that's going to add the row. And I'll even write that here for you. You're going to hit Control, and again, that is Control plus Shift and the plus sign. All right, so that is the keyboard shortcut. Now, let's say that you wanted to add multiple rows. All you need to do is select the amount of rows you want to add. So in this case, 4. We'll just hit Control-Shift+ again, and that's going to add 4 more rows. And that's the keyboard shortcut to add rows in Excel. Thanks so much for watching. And before you leave, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you so much. It helps me out a ton. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.